Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at this amazing unstoppable move on Netflix stock. We'll talk about all into the trade that I took and the trade that I provided to my members, and also what from here we expect on Netflix. What is the news? You may already be aware of the news, but most importantly, we'll talk about technicals. If you missed these moves that I gave to my members and they showed up on my tools as well, can you still enter Netflix? Where is the best entry point to take opportunity of this Netflix dark cloud that has disappeared from on top of it? We'll talk about all of that in this video. Once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So very quickly to show you that, let's turn on my another tool over here. And as you can see, we turned bullish right up over here, right down over here. We were bullish at $79. And before that, we were bearish for months. As you can see on my tools will tell you everything. This was your entry time to take the position technically if you have access to my tools. And even if you are just a member on my stocks coverage videos, you would have already gotten this trade plan from me and you are aware about it. So our trade technically started at $79 and we are already quite up, right? How high have we gotten? 18% almost. All right, if you need access to my tools, guys, details are in the description of this video, and also all other services, member stocks coverage and all, you will also find details for that in the description of this video. Now, what's going on with Netflix, right? So a lot of back and forth has been with Paramount, Warner's, and Netflix. And Netflix finally, well, they finally agreed to just walk off the deal because Paramount, in the latest bidding, came back with $31 per share bid, and Netflix said, "No, we're not gonna do it. Forget it. Take it behind the barn and shoot it." Right. So Netflix original bid offer was 27.75. The point is that Netflix definitely has come out of it winning because they are definitely not overpaying for something that they don't believe in. There was an interview with CEO where he mentioned that they only pay what they think is properly valued, and it's good on Netflix that they prioritized the shareholders here and said, no, we're not going to get into this bidding war. And they just walked off this deal. And you can see price action is supporting that as well, because for Wall Street, it's a clarity, and also it gives them the confirmation that, okay, Netflix for coming quarters will not go in debt or will not lose on their books the cash flow, which Wall Street loves. There's a lot more to that. If you how you want to connect the dots behind the scene, why Paramount even came up with this, why, and all of that, those something, behind the scenes you can connect the dots. It's all about, control of the media as well. But anyways, good on Netflix here, and we are seeing that happen in the gap up here today. Today's red candle is nothing to worry about, guys. Just gapped up so much, $94. It's just trying to fill the orders which went unfilled, right? So a lot of big players are placing their buy orders and market makers are just facilitating that. When you see such a huge gap up, let's get to the hourly interval. I'll talk about the trade plan and all, and as if where you can enter if you are looking for an entry right now. Though the best entry was at $79, guys, given by my tools, and also pretty much then I also told my members as well, if they are just on the stocks coverage membership of my services. Anyways, there are many other trade plans I talk with my members, a lot of other things I provide my opinion on as well. All the details for my services you will find in the description of this video. Now, here Netflix, as you can see, such a huge gap up in the post market. So this is normal. These pullbacks after that is just order filling that is happening. And yeah, so I expect a sideways action or a little bit of a dip as well the next following day, especially on such a big news. It's not that, oh, it's a short play. No, it's not a short play. It's just gonna fill the orders, guys. Okay, That's what it's just doing. So it's all fine. I'm not worried here on Netflix. A little bit of a red candle today. It's still so high. It's like 8% right now, almost shy of 9% up since last day closing price. Now let's talk about the technicals. All right. So let's say if you didn't take position at $79, if you're not a member, if you don't have access to my tools, can you still enter Netflix? You can still enter Netflix here, but you have already missed out on 20% of the move, okay, that we captured. Okay. Now I'll talk about my trade profit place as well, where I'm planning to, how I'm planning to size down, how am I planning to take profits. I'll talk about that at the end of this video. But for now, let's talk about, can you still enter? Yes, you can still enter, but your better opportunities are any pullback that you get. There is no guarantee that we're gonna get this pullback of the gap fill. There is no guarantee of that because structure is bullish, as I showed you on my tools as well. When we are in the bullish structure, right here you go, I just turn on my tool again. When we are in the bullish structure, there is no guarantee of pullback, just like when we're in the bearish structure, there is no guarantee of the rebound, how much that would be. Okay, so as we are in the bullish structure, so the time to enter in a position is, guys, right at where the structure changes. This was your bullish start, and back up there, that was your bearish start, right? 104 till 75 you are playing bearish, and 79 you are flipping to bullish. My tools will take care of everything. All right, so you're better off taking any opportunity in the pullback you get, whatever pullback you get. You, at this point, you can only slowly and slowly build into this position in through the pullbacks. It you may, because you have to go in with the premises that, hey, pullback may not even happen, so slowly and slowly build the position. Overall we are fine even until 86. I mean we are overall, guys, good forever right now on Netflix, okay, for many years to come. We do have a very solid bottom. There is no point in looking any short on this thing. Sure, you can day trade short, multi-day short, those are different things, but what I'm saying is that for the long term here, and even for coming months, your bias overall has to be bullish on Netflix here. Okay, so any pullback you get is just a buy. Definitely, if you didn't trade with us, if you didn't have my tools, if you didn't join as a member, yeah, you missed out 20% of the gains there. And so anyhow, here, yeah, pullbacks are buy. Technically, that's pretty much what is can be done if still looking to buy here, if you are still looking to buy here, right? So that's something you can do. Anyway, so how am I planning to size down this position that 20% profits are already there? I haven't really taken any excuse me, I haven't really sized down any position. I'm still holding my original position that actually I have been two type of trades on Netflix, right? Like technical trade started at 79, but also in the long-term portfolio. So I have technical trade ongoing on this, and also long-term position ongoing on this. Long-term position started, in this area, but then technical trade, big positions, and directional trades I started at 79 area. Now, on the trading side of the things, I would definitely like to take some profits, and how I plan on doing that. Well, so as I said, right now, not taking any partial profits, but as we get closer to 108, I would like to size down some of my position across, any type of long trades that I have on Netflix. Right now, I'm just gonna hold through it. I'm just gonna maybe do some cash secured puts, maybe just to take some premium as well, collect some premium. And I have a tool, options tool, that helps you collect premium. It gives you where are best places to write covered calls and cash secured puts as well. But again, part of my memberships. So anyways, 108 is where I plan to take some profits up there. Right now, just gonna carry through the position. Definitely my decision can change, and when they will change, I'll share with my members based on the price action and all those details, right? Anyways, so far so good. Let's take a look at a little bit of the SPY and Nasdaq 100 as well. Yeah, still sideways action at this point. SPY and Nasdaq 100s are more like your day trade or multi-day trades, guys. We are back again in the weakness here, technically. And Nasdaq 100 is also back again in the weakness below the blue zone, unfortunately, and multi-day again in the weakness. Some rebound is happening, but it's just choppiness. Again, more in depth and detail you can find on my membership section for these particular two, SPY and Nasdaq 100, my opinion on those. And there are a lot more trades as well there, and my opinions. All right, guys, that's all I had. Really excited about Netflix here, and really excited. Just continue to hold through the position. If you, even if you're just a long-term trader or long-term investor, I should say, in this case, yeah, you just gotta, we have a bottom technically, so yeah, you're all good. All right, so all right, guys, that's all, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care, bye.